Many of you know I'm absolutely passionate about exploration, specifically space. Well, the exploration vertical here at XPRIZE actually has both ends of the spectrum. Exploring off the planet in space and exploring the deep oceans. And in the last few months, our board of trustees and our board of advisors have given us the green light to go ahead and develop concepts around deep ocean XPRIZes. I've had the pleasure of working with our senior advisor, Al Seckel, and also Woods Hole director David Gallo, to think about what we should be doing in the deep oceans. As it turns out, and you probably know this already, only 3% of the ocean floor has been explored. That's 97% that is yet to be mapped and whose riches and information to be cataloged. As I understand it, some of the greatest geographic features of this planet are deep underwater. The notion that there may be biogenesis underwater, such that if all the life on Earth were wiped out, life would regenerate at the deep ocean thermal vents, where the hot underground volcanic rock juts out through the water, and the energy from that and the rich molecules would allow for the reformation of life. There's also, of course, huge biodiversity. Some think more biodiversity in the Amazon jungles. Sources of energy and sources of metals and minerals that we need so much as the Earth expands. So you've heard me speak about getting resources from space, but the same, getting resources from the deep ocean, are critical. So we've been thinking about a wide range of prizes, and we're going to be holding a series of deep ocean summits where we bring the top thinkers together. I recently had a chance to reconnect with Sylvia Earle, and Sylvia and I spent many years through the Explorers Club talking about the original Ansari XPRIZE. Should it be 3 people to go up 100 kilometers or 3 people go down to the Marianas Trench? So Sylvia and Jim Cameron and Ted Waite and other folks that Al Seckel and Dave Gallo and I have had conversations with, we're thinking about prizes, for example, of a human race down to the Ocean Everest or the Marianas Trench equivalent, or the notion of a competition for designing a fleet or a swarm of robotic vehicles that can go down and map and then come up to the surface and send back their data and then dive back down and in a coordinated swarm-like fashion incrementally begin to attack this 97% of the unmapped ocean floor. So these are some of the areas that we're thinking about. As Al would say, ocean XPRIZes in research, in exploration, in ocean health and environment. So we're thinking about that for all of you who are interested, and stay tuned for more developments. Thanks.